Hey, Cleo. Cleo. Come here. Clee. Come here. Come sit in my lap. Come right here. Come on. Oh, that is so sweet. What a nice girl. She's a good girl. Come on up, Marguerite. That's my Cleo. She likes to lay next to me now. She's a good girl. And there's Marguerite. And there's Winnie over there. Come here, Cleo. Cleo. Come here. Come back over here. Come on. Oh, that's so good. Come on up in my lap. Oh, what a good girl. Thank you. So kind. Your mom will be home soon.